Okay, now I'll just give you a quick demo of how to do all the settings, how to do a booking, cancellation for different users like administrator, the client administrator, as well as users and therapist. To start up with, you have to first set up all the clients, therapist, and kind of do all the settings like assigning the therapist to particular client. I'll first log in with the uh, administrator's user account. So I have already given it. This is the default one, just for testing purpose. Obviously, we are going to change it as per your request. So here I'm logging in. Okay, once I'm logged in, I'll come to the calendar page, which is nothing but the appointment details page. Here you can see who all have made bookings, who are in waiting list, and what else therapists are assigned to which client, and all other options like that. So for that, we first will go to the client page and do like some uh, client setup. We have to add some new clients. As you can see, there is no client list under the client box. I've just cleared the database so that I can show you from the scratch. Here's a plus mark to add a new client. For example, I'll be adding Citibank. Description for the timing, I'll be using the same Citibank, and I'll be adding a new client. And you can see here Citibank is added as a new client. For testing purpose, I'll be having a couple of more clients. Let's say HDFC Bank, HDFC Bank. I'll add one more called ICICI Bank. Okay, so now I have 3 clients added to my list. Now the data is directly coming from the database. If I refresh the page, you can see now previously when I came to this page, there's no client listed here, but now you can see the 3 clients coming here. Once the client is set, the next step is to set the client admin, the person who will be working as the administrator on behalf of the client and who will be having the access to view all their bookings. Along with that, we need to set the associated email ID, like when someone will be coming to this page and will be doing a registration, we'll be tracking from his or her email ID that the person belongs to which client. So all the settings we'll be doing now. As you can see here, I can remove the client, I can update the client, I can add client administrator, then I can add associated email ID, I can remove those, remove one by one, remove all. Let's take a look at this update functionality. I'll make it Citibank 2. I click update, record updated successfully. So the next time I'm coming to this page, or if I click here, or if I do a refresh, okay, now I come to Citibank. Now you can see the record is already updated. I'm not going to remove the client. You can do that testing yourself. Let's add a client admin. Let's say it city admin or admin@city.com, phone number something. Okay, I'll be using this as the login ID actually. So I'll give admin city, then this email ID, and let's keep the password like this. I am currently using the same password for everyone. Once they log in, they can change the password. So I'll be clicking create. So now you can see that client administrator has been set. Now let's set some associated email IDs for this client. If I try to click add without adding any, so these are the normal validations which comes. Or if I am trying to put some junk characters, again it will be giving me email ID should start with @ so I'll be adding @city.com. I'll be adding @citibank.com, and I'll be adding cityfinance.com, and this tree can be removed at once, or you can remove one by one. It will give you the option to remove. It will just prompt for the confirmation. I'm not going to delete it right now. I'll be doing the same thing for HDFC Bank. Add a client, HDFC, create @hdfc.com. We're doing @hdfcbank.com. Doing for ICICI, so ICICI, then admin @ICICI.com, and let's say ICICI.com and @ICICI.co.in. Okay, now if I go to each of the client, I can see whatever I have set. So this is how we set the clients. The next step is to set the therapist. You have to set all your therapists here, so that you can assign those therapists to the clients you have already added. Okay, since I don't know the name, yeah, here also you can see that right now there is no therapist listed below the therapist box, so I'll be adding one by one. Let's say therapist A, give some test phone number, then email will be let's say TA @ let's say bb.com, that stands for Back Rub and Body Works. Password I'll keep same, so add new. So therapist A is added, then I'll be adding therapist B, then tb @bb.com, add new, and I'll add another one. Let's say therapist C, phone number, then tc@bb.com, and same password I'll be using. Okay, so now that we have added our clients and our therapists, the next step is to assign the therapist to the clients, so that you can do in the settings page. But before going to the settings page, I would like to show you on my profile there are two options. You can change your name and phone number, then you can change the password. Right now, if you see on the top of my screen, it says welcome admin. Like right now, if I put welcome Mr. J, and I save it. So next time I log in, here it will come as welcome J. I'll just show you. I just logged out and will sign in again. Now you can see that saying welcome J. Okay, now we'll go to the settings page, and here the different options are. You can assign